Hello everyone. This video is part of an assignment of data analytics using R for Skyfi Labs online course. In this video, we are going to see data visualization using R Studio. We have collected state-wise data, from different sources, for the corona-affected cases, death cases, population, area, population density, state GDP at the current price, and share of SGDP in India. For importing the file, we have to install some library files to execute set of commands for data visualization. The list of packages are: install packages, dplyr, install packages, ggplot2, install packages, corrgram, install packages, corrplot. We have already installed packages. In case if you are running for the first time, you need to install those packages. In order to use those packages, we have to call those packages by using library command. Library, dplyr. Library, ggplot2. Library, corrgram. Library, corrplot. We made those packages available for use. Now we are set to start our analysis. Let us begin with importing CSV file into R Studio. Let's set the working directory by using the command set wd within brackets, specify the file directory or location with double quotes. Now we are going to call the file by its name. So we are going to use the command dbs read.csv within bracket file is equal to specify the name of the file with its extension. Now use view command to view the data set in the proper table form. Here you can see variables, state, confirmed underscore cases, deaths, region, population, area, density, GDP underscore in CRPs, and GDP share in proper table format. Use the summary command to view each variable, minimum value, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and maximum value. Use head and tail command to see the top 6 and bottom 6 values from the dataset. If you want to see more values from the table, use head within bracket mention file name, 10. To view top 10 values from the table. Same, we use tail command to see bottom 10 values from the table. Let's move further and explore the data using the graph. Now I would like to see state-wise confirmed corona cases using plot command. Using zoom option we can see graph in separate window. Here you can see graph is kind of messy in displaying different state name. In order to have better view we will include the command and coord underscore flip. By using this command axis changes from vertical to horizontal view. From this graph we can able to see that Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Delhi are highly affected area. I'm not going in detail, just giving an overview of the graph. Now I would like to see region-wise confirmed corona cases to know which region is affected the most. In case you don't have variable called region, you can create variable named region using distinct command. The same command we are going to use, only thing we are going to change is x variable from state to region to capture region-wise. Here West is highly affected because Maharashtra belongs to West, then North and South. Central and East are less affected compared to West. Finally, Northeast has very minimum number of corona affected cases. Next, state-wise population density, from the graph. It clearly shows that Bihar has the highest population density, followed by West Bengal, Kerala, and Uttar Pradesh. Remaining all other states are below 600 person for a square km. Next, region-wise population density. From this graph it shows that East having more population density because Bihar and West Bengal belongs to East region, followed by North and South region. Next, state-wise SGDP share. In this graph you can see that Maharashtra is very high, followed by Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, and Gujarat. Region-wise SGDP share. In this graph, you can see with comparison to previous graph Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh performing well in terms of SGDP from South region. So South region is high compared to West. Maharashtra is only state which is contributing more SGDP from West region. Finally, we are going to deal with correlation. Correlation in simple terms, it is a measure of the strength of a linear relationship between two quantitative variables. Either it can be positive or negative correlation. 1 indicates a perfect positive correlation. -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation. 0 indicates that there is no relationship between the different variables. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that why we incorporated the several variables like population, density, SGDP, etc. Now we are going to test the linear relationship between those variables, which is available in the data set. From this, we can able to see that there are some correlation between variables. But in order to see more specific in terms of number, we change method equals number, so that it will plot numbers in those cells to see. In this, we can see highly correlated and less correlated by its number. If it is closer to 1, then it is highly correlated. If it is closer to 0, then less correlated. Mostly from this we can see there are positive correlation between variables. With that I would like to conclude. Finally, I would like to thank Skyfi Labs for such project assignment. It's a wonderful learning experience. I recommend you all to visit Skyfi Labs for several online courses. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.